Take a ride in the 2021 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.